Dynamic beam laser, a groundbreaking technology, is revolutionizing pure laser welding in shipbuilding, boosting production rates and significantly reducing costs. Welding is the backbone of shipbuilding, a key process that holds every vessel together. With large amounts needed to build each ship, it's a challenge shaping the future of maritime manufacturing. Welding technology in shipbuilding has evolved over time. The first generation utilized arc methods such as gas metal arc welding and submerged arc, while the second generation introduced hybrid systems combining lasers with MIG. Today, the industry is at a pivotal moment, calling for a significant leap forward. A third generation centered on pure laser technology to address modern challenges. This breakthrough is only possible thanks to dynamic beam laser technology. High beam quality, high power, and advanced beam shaping capabilities ensure superior welds, meeting the demands of modern shipbuilding. The DBL offers a pure laser process with unmatched quality, achieved through lower heat input, minimizing distortion while maintaining material integrity. The pure laser process not only improves quality, but also delivers significant cost savings by eliminating consumables. For example, using DBL technology, Fincantieri demonstrated unparalleled results: 40% faster welding speeds, 60% energy savings, and a 90% reduction in consumable usage. The lower heat input ensures minimal distortion and exceptional weld integrity. Industry leaders are embracing new technologies like the DBL to improve efficiency, reduce CO2 footprints, and lower costs, allowing them to stay competitive in shipbuilding by adopting innovations that set a new standard.